How to manage notifications, vibrate settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications, vibrate settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find this one, notifications. Click on it and then just click vibrate, and as you see here you can change it. Just change it to anything you want, short or long, and then just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.